Today we will going to discuss about implication, also known as conditional sentence. We use the word if, then to obtain a conditional sentence from two simple sentences, a conditional sentence is also known as implication. If we use the word if then to form a sentence from two sentences, then the resulting sentence obtained is called conditional sentence. A conditional sentence is also known as implication. Okay. So if P and Q are two sentences, then conditional sentence is given by if P then Q. This is known as antecedent, and this is known as consequent. A conditional sentence is false if this antecedent is true but consequent is false. If antecedent is true and consequent is false. Consequent is false. Otherwise, it is if P is my sentence, then it has two values, true or false. Q is a sentence, then it has two values, true and false. That means for P and Q, I have four choices. True, true, true. Then my implications will be true. True, false, then is false. False, true, then it is true. True, 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 then it is true. So, meaning of this statement is a conditional sentence. The sentence is false if antecedent is true, consequence is false, otherwise it is true. This is the meaning. We will discuss later. It is known as truth table for implication. Now, if P and Q are two sentences, then their implication is written as P implication Q. P only if Q Q if P, Q provided P is the sufficient condition, P is sufficient for Q is necessary for P. These are all equivalent to denote P implication Q. Necessary for P. Q is necessary for P. Next, take one example. even number, then x is divisible by x is divisible by here this is antecedent and this is consequent. This statement will be true if this statement will be true if both except this true, here it is false, then it will be okay false, otherwise it is true. Here this is antecedent and this is consequent. If x is even number, x is even number, x is divisible by 2, 2 is true statement, but we cannot check here if x is not even number whether it is divisible by 2 or not. If we will not going to check here in the implication. Okay, so 2, if a number is multiple of 9, then the number is multiple of, here it is antecedent and it is consequent. Next, if a person born in India, then the person is citizen of India. Here it is antecedent and here it is consequent. Here it is true, person born in India, then he is a citizen of India. It is true. Implication is true, but we cannot check if person does not born in India, he will be citizen or not. In case of implication, we cannot check this one. This is consequent, this is antecedent, and this is consequent. With that, I would like to conclude. Remaining will be in the next lecture. Thank you.